Meaning of free verse.
Free verse.
Free verse.
Free verse.
Free verse. Free verse is a type of poetry that lacks a regular meter or rhyme scheme. Instead, it allows the poet to create their own rhythm and structure, often utilizing techniques such as repetition, imagery, and unconventional line breaks. This allows for greater flexibility and creativity in expressing ideas and emotions through language, while also challenging traditional notions of what constitutes proper poetry. As a result, free verse has become a widely used and respected form of modern poetry, celebrated for its innovation and expressive power.